Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is, of course, your host here, Light Liger, and today I will be showing you how to stake your Cosmos, or Atom as some people like to call it by its sticker name. And I will be showing you how this is done with 3 different wallets. And we're going to be starting with Cosmostation, which is operatable on the web wallet. You also have a Google Play Store version and also Apple App Store version in case you want to do it on mobile. And basically, to connect into this wallet, you need to have your mnemonic phrase, which you can import from another wallet that you may be using. And you're going to be clicking Connect Wallet. You can also use your Ledger. So people who have Ledger, this is probably the easiest way to use and stake your Cosmos. And we're going to be clicking hit to connect to the Cosmostation. That is my name that I randomly threw in. And I'm not going to be able to showing you my PIN code. I'm going to be putting that in the off screen. And after you've done with that, it will basically move in and allow you to connect the wallet, and it will put you to the actual wallet screen. And here I can see how much Atom I currently have. That is 23 right now, which totaling around $100 as of right now. Then there's the available amount, which is not staked as of right now. And then there is the actual reward, which is unclaimed as of right now. And also here you can generate and sign transactions as well, which is a very nice feature. But when we go into the actual reward page, here we can see what we have actually send our money to. So this is the validator that I chose. I just kind of like randomly, maybe in the future I will do a bit of a more of a research. It must be said that you want to give into people who contribute something to the ecosystem. Maybe they are building dApps, wallets, or something that provides value, maybe marketing. It's very important. A lot of people don't seem to care about delegation in general, which is sad, and obviously the exchanges delegate themselves, as Binance has done, obviously. And there is many options here, and if you have the time, you should probably look into some of these things. They have obviously different commission rates and different statuses, and you want to look into one that suits your interest the most. Maybe you want the most highest paying, or maybe you want a service that is going to be building something really cool in the Cosmos ecosystem. And in order to, just to give you the idea how the voting is done, if I want to vote for Cosmostation, I just put out the max out here, and it will tell us you will have no balance after this TX. But we're not going to be doing that. I'm going to be claiming the rewards here. And there's going to be a fee always when you claim through. So don't just claim every minute, guys. That's what I'm basically saying here. You don't need to sign a memo here. What you need to do is generate and sign the transaction. And here it's telling you all of these fees and all that stuff. The fees, everything. And the raw transaction here, we're going to be clicking allow. Once again, I'm going to be putting this off screen, filling my password, which is 4 digits and 1 key. And now we have claimed the reward from staking. And the cool thing about coins such as Cosmos is that the staking process is not something that requires you to have the wallet open. The old proof of stake model was that you keep your wallet open and then it stakes for you. You just sign it to the delegate and they do all the staking for you basically, and you don't have, you still own that money. They can't take that delegation away from you. They can't steal the money from your wallet. So this is like a safe mechanism basically, the way you basically get your rewards and, you know, keep your money still to you. So there's no risk involved on delegating your Cosmos into a validator. Now let's see if we can refresh the page and see that the actual amount from reward has gone to 0, and now it shows up in our current available amount. And that's basically how it's done. If I want to delegate to somebody, I just choose them, put the max amount, and then we're going to be signing that contract. But now I want to show it on how it's done on other wallets. So we have an Exodus here, and I'm importing my Exodus code into the Cosmostation. That's something you can do. And the way it's done in Cosmos, here we have the interface. Here's how we receive, and send Cosmos. And we click the 3 dots here, and we click Earn Rewards. And this allows us to basically stake the Cosmos that we have. Unstake also The unstaking, by the way, takes 28 days. The reasons for that, I don't know. It's sometimes good for the price that people don't dump and switch around all over the network. And I guess it brings a bit more stability for people who are running those validator nodes. So you can probably read about it. But basically, in this one also, we can stake all of our things, stake Cosmos, and basically we'll put into automatically into the node that we just chose earlier. Or not earlier, but what I chose before and prior. I'm not sure, are you able to vote for 2 different nodes? Let's going to be putting that into the test right now. So I'm going to be signing up the transaction and putting up this amount of Cosmos into the Cosmostation. I think this thing that they have built out is pretty cool and nice. I wish you could import your private key. And now we're going to be refreshing the page and seeing. Okay, let's see, I'll refresh the page again if that updates. In some other chains, okay, in Cosmos, you can vote for multiple delegators here, which is another thing you can do. That's if you want to support multiple nodes that you think that are doing great stuff on the network. And lastly, we're going to be looking into Atomic Wallet. And that is another one that also holds Cosmos. And by the way, fourth one, which I'm not going to be covering in this video, is Trust Wallet, which is on mobile. Another really good option for staking your Cosmos. And it has to be said, I don't remember in case of Exodus, but some of these staking platforms don't allow you to choose the delegate. They have something that they have already defaulted in, which might be their entity. So that's not always a nice thing, but stake all. Let's see how we can stake, and here we can choose the validators. So here we see there are a couple of options here listed, but there's not exactly the same ones that we're seeing here on this website, which this is around 30 or what is it, 40 almost of these validators. And here on Atomic, you just have, what is this, like 15. So it's a different number. And what you have to do is, and here it says 21 days. I maybe said earlier 28 days. Might be wrong about this. So yeah. And now it is basically staked. And if we want to claim it, we have to wait until the minimum 0.01 atom, basically, which is higher than the actual fee involved claiming the Cosmos. And it's around 7 to 11%. In some cases, it can be 12%. Well, that is the commission, not exactly the ROI. But that's pretty much how easy it is to interact with Cosmos. I recommend just importing your mnemonic phrase into Cosmostation, because this gives you the best options and the biggest pool of choices to which delegate you can delegate to. And I also recommend not give it to the exchanges. They already have a lot of money. And historically, when we look at exchanges, they don't tend to really build anything outside from their own exchange, so it's not necessarily benefiting the network of them getting basically those rewards, in my opinion. Obviously, do your own research, what you want to support, what you don't want to support, that is up to you. But Cosmos is an interesting project. I want to do more videos about it, and I'm trying to look into what can I do, because it's a very technologically heavy chain. And obviously, I'm not a guy who comes from a coding background, so there's limited things that I can articulate to people when it comes to the actual, like the bridges and stuff like that, which is kind of like coding heavy type of stuff in a way. Thanks for watching. You can tip me into this Cosmos address if you want to support my work. Obviously, if you are a dApp creator in Cosmos, drop me an email at lightliger@protomel.com, and maybe we can work something out. See you guys on the next video. Cheers.